Welcome to Bethlehem Institute of Engineering. Bethlehem Institute of Engineering is affiliated to Anna University, Chennai and approved by AICTE, New Delhi. This institution was established in the year 2008.
Good morning. Today we are seeing the introduction of mechatronics. Topics to be covered: introduction to mechatronic system, concept and applications, mechatronic system, components with example, measurement systems, control systems, open and closed loop systems, sequential controllers with examples, and shaft speed control. Okay. Introduction to mechatronic system. The word mechatronics is originated from Japan in 1960s. The word mechatronics is composed from mecha from mechatronics and tronics from electronics. So that means the mechanical components are controlled by electronic devices. Okay. Then Bolton presented another definition by saying that mechatronic system is not just a marriage of electrical and mechanical system, and it's more than just a control system. The mechatronic system is a complete integration of all of them. Right? The system consists of mechanical engineering and electrical engineering, computer engineering, and information system. Okay, mechatronics consists of both the systems, okay, the information system and mechanical system, electrical system, and electronic and computer system. Evaluation of mechatronics. Technological advance in design, manufacturing, and operation of engineered products, device process can be traced through Industrial Revolution, Semiconductor Revolution, Information Revolution. Industrial Revolution allowed the design of products and process for energy conversion and transmissions, thus allowing the use of energy to do useful work. Engineering designs in large mechanical area, operation of motion transmission, sensing, actuation, computations were performed using mechanical components such as cams, gears, levers, and linkages. Purely mechanical systems suffer from power amplification, inability, energy losses due to tolerance, and friction. Examples of mechanical design: the float valve. The float valve means in water tank. When the water level increases, the float level also increases. Okay. Then in the cam operator switches, which can be controlled by the cam, by metallic strip and thermostat. In semiconductor revolution, all integrated circuits and converters. So converter means signal converter and another converters, or AC analog to digital converters. That means effectively in semiconductors, mechatronics will gives more effective revolution. Okay, and an operational amplification means the power or data transmission with speed. So mechatronics has evolved through the following stages, mainly four stages. The first one integrates electrical signaling with mechanical action. at basic control level for fluid valves and relay switches. The first control system is first level mechatronics is for fluid level valves and relay switches, and the second level for cassette tape players. Integrates microelectronics into electrically controlled devices for cassette tape player. The third one with a microprocessor based electrical motor used for actuation purpose in robot. Incorporate advanced control strategy uses microelectronics and microprocessor and other application specific integrated circuits for microprocessor based electrical motor used for actuation purpose in robot. The robot motions is controlled by mechatronics. Okay. The fourth level attempts to improve the smartness and step ahead by introducing intelligence, that means artificial intelligence and fault detection. Okay. Mechatronics applications, smart consumer products, that means home applications, home security, camera, micro oven, toaster, dishwasher, laundry washer, climate control units, automatic digital camera, etc. And computer disks, ATM, DVD drives. Okay. In medical, implant devices, assist surgery, defense, unmanned air, ground and water, underwater vehicles, smart weapons, jet engines, etc. Manufacturing, NC and CNC machine tools, rapid prototyping and robotics, etc. Automotive, climate control, anti-lock brakes, active suspension, airbags, engine management and safety, etc. Network and distribution systems, distributed robotics and intelligent highways, etc. Examples of mechatronic systems, some robot examples and sensors. Motion and force control of an indirect drive system for mechatronic system. Motion and force control of an indirect drive robot. Mechatronic system program to track straight line. The program for collision avoidance in outside our corridor. That means there will be a track line will be drawn in the floor. This vehicle or this device moves on the track line in straight, and they will stop before the collision. Okay. This makes an artificial intelligence. Computer disk drive is an example for rotary mechatronic system. Accurate positioning of the magnetic read head and precision control of media speed, extraction of digital data from magnetic media. Mechatronic system is a best example for the mechatronic system. Washing machine is controlled by a microprocessor and actuation, there is a motor. These are the main components. Then load. So understanding of load sizes and the loading area, of course, plumbing, agitations of drum, reliability, low cost, and AC/DC motors, inlet outlet water drain. Sensors means water level sensor and load speed sensor. The main sensor used in mechatronics by washing machine. Okay. Advantages of mechatronics: cost effective and good quality product, high degree of flexibility to modify or redesign, very good performance of characteristics, wide R of application, greater productivity in case of manufacturing organization, greater extent of machine utilization, and disadvantages: high initial cost, multidisciplinary engineering background required to design implementation, need of high trained workers, complexity is identification and correction of problems in systems. Elements of mechatronic systems. That means actuators and sensors, signal and conditioning, digital logical system, software and data acquisition system, computer and display device. Okay. The first one, the mechanical system. The actuators and sensors are under mechanical system. Okay, and the actuators are solenoid valves, solenoids, voice coils, DC motor, stepper motor, servo motor, hydraulics and pneumatics. Then motions are created in the actuators, or any hydraulics or pneumatic actions are done in actuators. Cylinders, hydraulic cylinders are done in actuator. The sensor will sense the motion. Okay, there are more sensors: strain gauge, potentiometer, thermocouple, photoelectric accelerometer, digital encoder, etc. Okay, sense the signal to the input signal conditioning and interfacing. Here the signals are filtered and amplified and sent to the digital control architecture. Here are the circuits, the logical circuits and microcontrollers. They make their logical arithmetic programs and communications, and sequence and timing were done in digital control architecture, and then the data and sent to the data signal, sent to the output signal conditioning and interface. Here the power transducers and power output amps and amplifiers converts into signals display to graphical displays. Okay. From there is a feedback to the actuators. Okay. The systems across these things: actuators, sensors, input signal conditioning interfacing, digital controller architectures, output signal conditioning and interfacing, graphical displays. It will displays the output signal or output displays. Then that means an electrical motion is converted into mechanical motions or rotary motions or any other motions are converted into electrical signals to display. Okay. Actuators and sensors. Actuators produce motions or cause some actions. Sensors detect the state of the system parameters or input and output. Various actuators, pneumatic and hydraulic actuators, electromechanical actuators, piezoelectric actuators, electric motors, that is DC, AC, stepper and servo motor. Various sensors: linear and rotational sensors, acceleration sensors, force sensors, torque sensors, pressure sensor, temperature sensor, proximity sensor, and light sensors. So, these types of sensors are used for detecting the motions created by the actuator. These are the collection of sensors. So there are more sensors. GPS, lever switch, linear encoder, so microphone. Okay. Activating system, pneumatic and hydraulic. Okay. Hydraulic power supply, pump, check valve, accelerometer, pressure and relief valve, directional control valve, pressure control valve, process control valve. So from the reservoir or pump, the oil will be pumped by the pump through the check valve, that means non-return valve. The pump is operated by a motor. Then the pump pumps the oil to the check valve or non-return valve, then to the pressure relief valve, then to the accumulator. There is a pressure relief valve. When there is more pressure, more than we needed means the system needed, the pressure will be relieved and the remaining oil is sent to the sump. Okay. After circulating through the accumulator, the oil also return to the sump. Okay. Actuation in mechanical system. Motion means the kinematic chains, bar chains and links, slider, crank mechanism. So mainly for cam operated, belt and chain drives bearings. When rotary motions are converted to reciprocating motion. Okay. Electrical actuation, switches, switching drives, mechanical switches, keyboard, limit switches, then control switches, relays, solid state switches, contains diodes, transistors, and mainly on-off switches. Okay. Solenoid means the valves push something or to give motion to operate the solenoid valve. Okay. That is starter solenoid, pneumatic or hydraulic valves. Mainly, solenoid means mainly valves. Drive system, stepper motor or AC or DC motors, and achieve speed. Okay. Speed control. Signal and conditioning. Mechanical system deals with two types of signal and conditioning, that is input and output. Input devices receives input signals from mechatronic system through interfacing devices and sensor. Sensors gives the input signal to the mechatronic system, where then there is a motion or any devices gives motions or any actions that will be sensed by the sensor. It will give to the mechatronic system. From sensor, the signal is sent to the control circuit for conditioning and processing. The sense signals here there to be conditioning and processing. Okay, various input signal conditioning devices or amplifiers, A to D or D to D converters, analog to digital converters or digital to digital converters are used for conditioning and amplifying the signals. Okay. output signals from the system are used or are sent to output or display device through interfacing device. So there is an interfacing device is used between the mechatronic system and the output device. It will convert the signal analog to digital or digital to digital. It will convert. The input interfacing device will give the output signal or display to display in the devices. Okay, various output signals conditioning devices are digital to analog, display decoder, power transmitter, output amps. This is the digital thermometer. How it works? The thermocouple is a transducer that converts temperature to a small voltage. The amplifier increases the magnitude of the voltage. The analog to digital converter is a device that changes analog signal to coded digital signal, and the light emitting diode. That means LED display the value of the temperature. Okay, this is a thermocouple. The temperature is sensed here. The temperature is sensed here. The transducer, it is a transducer converts to the signal processor. Here the signal, that means the heat energy is converted into electrical energy. The heat energy is converted into electrical energy. The gear amplifies and converting analog signal to digital signal. Then the recorder or display output. This is the output. Control system. The control system input required temperature, central heating system, output temperature and the set value. Difference between open loop and closed loop system. So in open loop system there is no feedback, not using feedback, and closed loop system feedback is using. When feedbacking is used in the closed system, it will give more accurate, and in the open system less accurate. Simple in construction. The open loop system is simple in construction. Closed loop system is complicated in construction. Optimization is controlled. It's not possible. Here it will be controlled. In closed system, easy maintenance and cost is less. Difficult to maintain and cost is more. In closed system, open loop systems, example, CD drive, digital thermometer, and closed loop system, automatic water level indicator, washing machine. Okay. Camera, digital camera are all used in closed loop system. So open loop system, it gives input and decision to the switch on or off, the electric power. This is the temperature digital temperature thermometer. The input heat is given to the switch, then electric power, electric fire, the output temperature change.